Morning, guys. It's December 31st. We got a little New Year's Eve job today. It's a bit of an emergency. That's why we're out here today. But we got the machine on site, dump trailer. I'll give you guys a rundown. So this home right here has a sewer problem. They had a couple guys out. We came yesterday to give a second opinion on the job. We just cameraed it, see what's going on, got the whole lowdown on the story. Basically, sewer comes out under this front stoop, runs about 85 to 88 feet to this manhole. The town has been doing some work over here, placing some storm drains, and long story short, they hit the end of the pipe, but they repaired it. They put a patch on. Homeowners trying to get a freebie, want them to replace the whole line, saying it made an issue, but we came and then we found completely collapsed pipe here, which is about 70 or so feet from where the house trap is. It's all Orangeburg where we are. So this line, and we gave them a price to replace everything, and the town, you know, obviously with some back and forth with the homeowner, they're nice enough to actually replace from where they hit to the manhole. I mean, you can't get any better than that for free for the homeowner. You're talking, you know, thousands of dollars they're going to save there. So we're here today. We gave them the option to do a full line replacement or just do a section replacement. So what we're going to do today is dig up here to the curb, replace this section. It's probably 25 feet or so, schedule 40, and then we're just going to get these guys flowing for the new year, and then they might be selling the home within the year or so. If not, they said they're going to call us back to replace the whole line. But we told them if it's not an issue, then leave it. We scoped it. It looks decent. Obviously, Orangeburg isn't the best pipe in the world, but that's what we got going on today. So we'll take you through the process. What we're going to do is, since it's New Year's Eve, we're going to unload, stage everything. Then we got to go get to the material yard and get some bedding rock, trap rock for under the pipe, come back, and then we'll get right to it and take you along. Yeah, 4 feet. Sweet. Yeah. So we found the pipe, clean it up, gonna cut right before that break, and then the town is gonna replace from where we put a band to the manhole. So we're gonna put a clean connection, and what we're gonna do, keep trenching back, expose it all, rip it out, and then get going on putting the new pipe in, do a rock bed, get to it. Fucking guy.
Think it's clogged?
Yeah, shit. Jesus. For those of you that got Orangeburg, have fun. There's the remnant. Customer wants a piece to see what it's like and why it broke.
Hang it on the wall.
It's that type of day today.
I think this was wrong.
Update for you guys. Trench is good, and we only ran into one irrigation line. We're coming up on the break, so we're hand digging as much as we can. This way we don't collapse any more than we need to. We can get a nice cut for a connection. But got the pipe right there. We're like 4 feet down at the peak. We're probably a little less than 4 here because grade comes up. But we're looking good. Ran into some clay. This shit's all pretty wet, as you can see there. It kind of looks contaminated, but that's just the color of the fucking dirt. So we're gonna expose this, get it cleaned up, pack this trench, and go over it with our rock. Pack that again, and start laying pipe. All right. found our spot. We found our culprit. This was sitting on a nice rock under there. Squished for 4 inch, probably to about 1.5 inches, give or take. And that's where our block goes. We're gonna throw the camera in, just since we're doing, you know, only a section of the pipe. Make sure that we're looking good upline, and then we'll clean up our spot and get our band on and get it ready to go. Alright, again, it got dark on us, but we're all in. Backfilled, compacted, seed, hay, topsoil, good to go. Town's gonna come do their end sometime, who knows, but that's it for today. My dude here is killing it. Till the next one.